Noosa to Wanton adventure is over and we're on the road today heading to Hervey Bay via Gympie and a few other stops, so come along. We'll see if there's anything to see and yeah, share it with you guys. Cheers. So we got into Hervey Bay yesterday, really beautiful evening, little thunderstorm activity offshore and stuff like that, it was pretty cool, and checked into Harbour View Caravan Park. And it is, as the name implies, right on the harbour, which is interesting. So lots of boat traffic, got some commercial iceworks and prawn processing factory just over here. But all your normal marina complex, some high-end stuff as well. Beautiful marina, great facilities, zillions of car spots for boats. And look, they even provided us a spare polycraft trailer just sitting there. So Ian, I'll try and pack that when we leave, but there you go. So good spot, there's our setup. Yeah, bit overcast and foggy this morning as you can see, but hopefully a good day once this burns off and the sun gets up. Cheers. So we're at the Akarara Ponds and Cafe, and one thing the ponds do have is a very healthy population of turtles everywhere. And given the fact they line up like this, I don't think everybody follows the don't feed the animals sign. So we come out to Point Vernon to have a look, probably have a bike ride. As you can see, the conditions are woeful, absolutely disgraceful. And you don't really need a GPS mark, I don't know whether you can see that, to work out where the fishing grounds are, because they're queued up out of that spot over there. So obviously something going on over there. Nice little boat ramp. As you can see though, fair tidal moving around here. Plenty of rocks. Little bar entrance out there, but it is flat as today. Absolutely glorious conditions. There you go, Point Vernon. Cheers. And if it's one thing Hervey Bay does have, it's plenty of boating facilities, even if some of them are a bit rudimentary, but compared to some that we've all used over the day, do the job for your markers. And obviously, you know, rocks, good structure everywhere. So, yeah. Anybody's guess. Be interesting to see what the day turns out like with this high humidity though. Maybe another thunderstorm tonight. Could be pretty cool. Cheers.